Okay, so the second thing that I want you to do before our first class meeting is to set up your or create your folders in your Google Drive. And those folders will be used for the drafts and final copies of the major papers in the course. The first thing I asked you to do was to create a Google account using your Columbus State email address. So hopefully you were able to do that successfully. And now we need to create our folders in our Google Drive. So if you go into, make sure you open up a Firefox browser. And then if you go to Blackboard and log into our course, and if you go under the course information tab and scroll down, you should see the file right here, how to create folders in Google Drive. So if I open that up, these are the written instructions on how to do this. But this video, some people, they're able to do it with the written instructions, but I wanted to put up a video because I think that that is helpful as well. So I want to go ahead and log in first to my Google Drive. So if I go to Google, I'm going to go up here in the upper left and hit sign in. And here, notice I have my Columbus State email address showing. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Or you might have to enter your Columbus State email address. And then it's going to ask you for your password. All right, and then I want to go up here to this grid in the upper left and click my drive. Now on your screen, you should not see anything because you have not done anything with this in Google yet. Here you see I have all kinds of stuff because I've been teaching this course forever. I have all kinds of documents here. So you need to create your folders now. So how to create a folder, it's pretty simple. So you go up here to new and you click that, and you this first one right here, folder. I want to click that, and then it's going to ask you for the name. Okay, I'm going to clear that out, and then I'm going to go back and look at my document. And if you scroll down, you see here that I have the name of the folder and what color I want you to change it to. So for our first document, it's our Writing Project 1 draft, and I'm asking you to make that folder cardinal red. So I'm going to go back to Google, and I'm going to enter my name, Writing Project 1 draft, just like that. Create. And it should show you your folder. Now, in order to change the color, you want to right-click on it and hit change color, and it shows you a grid of colors. And if you hover over each of them, it shows you what the name of that color is. So I'm looking for cardinal, and I believe I clicked on it already. Cardinal. So I'm going to select that, and then it changes my color of my folder to cardinal red. Okay, what's the name of my next folder? Okay, the Writing Project 1 final copy folder needs to be Seafoam Green. New folder, Writing Project 1 final. Create. Change color. Okay, a seafoam green. Okay, this one right here, seafoam green. Click. Okay, what's the next folder? Writing Project 2 draft in yellow cab. New folder, Writing Project 2 draft. create, change color, it's yellow cab. Okay, this one is yellow cab. All right, what's the next one? Writing Project 2 final copy and purple Dino. Change color. I'm looking for purple Dino, purple rain, toy eggplant, purple Dino. Okay, right here. All right, so this is pretty straightforward. So here I've done what? 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And on your list, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so then you need to go ahead and add the other 3 into your drive. And this is just an organizational tool. So by the end of the semester, you should have one document in each of these folders. That's why they're here. So when you work on your Writing Project 1 draft, you should have a document in there. When you're in your Writing Project 1 final copy folder, you should have a document in that folder. And the same for Writing Project 2 draft, Writing Project 2 final copy. This is how we will deal with our drafts and our final copies for the major papers in the course. So it's important at the beginning for you to get all of those folders created and organized so that you are prepared once we get to the actual drafts and final copies of those papers. And I think that's about it.